So this is how it's looking before it goes in the skillet. I got 2 layers of cheese on that, pepperoni. The bacon bits are in the middle, and the steakum is there. Y'all see? I'm about to put it in the skillet.
I want to say I am about to make the crazy grilled cheese, and this is what I'm using. Steakum. See, I'm trying to cook. I'm trying to hold my phone at the same time and record, y'all. I tried it. I don't know how it worked for me, but y'all see me. And I put some minced garlic in there. Some, I forgot what kind of seasoning I used, but it was some type of seasoned salt. And I'm going to put pepperoni, and I got my bread out, and I'm going to eat that. Y'all got to stay tuned for this. Okay, y'all, now I'm adding my butter in there. If I can get to put that steakum, you know what I'm saying? And I seen these in my cabinet, so let's go ahead and add these and get that little crunch in there. So I'm putting jalapeno crispy, turkey pepperoni, steakums, and then I'm putting Kobe Jack cheese, and I might even put some bacon bits in there. Why not? Why not make it crazy? It's a crazy grilled cheese. You know how I am. I'm not. Baby, y'all know how I am. I gotta be spectacular. I'm just showing y'all the steps that I'm doing to make my grilled cheese. Okay, I forgot to add these, y'all. So I'm gonna add these before I'm about to turn it over. So I'm gonna let that melt the bottom piece, and I'm gonna put them in there in a little bit. Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all see me making this grilled cheese? Y'all know it look good. Y'all know it. Y'all see that cheese melted on that side? I had to do this for my girl Tay Eats. You know what I'm saying? I had to represent. So I just had to do it. And also, while I'm eating my grilled cheese, my crazy grilled cheese, I also got the Dream World Coke that everybody's been having in all their mukbang videos. So why not try it, right? And then I also got some Wrap Snacks Buttermilk Ranch. Look dark. So we're going to try these out too while I'm at it. And I also, on the side, y'all see these? It depends on how much I eat. I want to do the challenge for Cocoa Empire as well. So we'll just see how this ends up. Let me just start by saying thank you to all my new Keybabies, and thank you to all of my returning ones. Like, my numbers keep growing, and I love that. And I love you guys' support. So let's go ahead and eat this this grilled cheese together. I know y'all want to bite, so hold on. Let me go ahead and give it to y'all. Y'all see that steam? Well, I can see it. I don't know if y'all see it, but I see it. Let's try it. It's good. I taste some jalapenos too in there. Make it like that little spice. And y'all know I don't like hot stuff, but I like this. It ain't like super hot. How y'all doing out there today? What are y'all eating right now? Y'all know Tootie right here. Y'all can't see him today because I got, you know what I mean, a little bit closer to me. Y'all can see me eat. So y'all can't see him, but he watching. Y'all know he watching. It's so good. I forgot to get some paper towels, so I'm glad I have these right here by my little table. I got these from the dollar store. Because y'all know, like, every season, I always try to change up my background, my black backsplash. That's what it's called. I always try to change it up. Just so y'all can see something different. Also, I hope y'all like my little leaves back there. And I got these napkins from that also. With the plates. I thought it was so cute. It's ready for fall, right? I even got little cups. Happy fall. And I got another one on that side. Y'all know I'm into all the different seasons. And I like it fall because the bugs are gone. I don't like bugs. So I'm going to go ahead and try this Dream World Limited Edition Coca-Cola. Because I always see Ebony drink this when she do her little mukbangs. Yeah, I'll be seeing you. It tastes like candy. I like it. Okay. Like a little cherry mixed with like some candy inside of it. Kind of like a blow pop. To me, that's my taste buds. My taste buds can be off. I have a lot of content coming up for y'all. I'm doing another Shein haul. I'm doing another Fashion Nova haul. And I might be doing something else. I think it's rainbow. I haven't decided yet. I'm doing a fall haul for y'all. And I'm also doing a Halloween one coming up. Y'all better quit playing. And I'm not even like, I don't even like watching scary movies. But I'm going to go ahead and do it. Because it's a part of YouTube. So why not? Why not join the trend? I hope y'all going to be joining the trend too. Because I'm about to take little dirt shit. I'm about to taste them. I like the color. Y'all know I like that color. Duty looking at me in my face like, give me some. Alright. They okay. I don't think that I will go back and buy this bag again, but they okay. For a while. They taste like I can. They taste like the bag is stale, y'all. But it's not out of date to May 2023. That's what it tastes like. And some of the chips have more like ranch and the buttermilk on there, and it tastes kind of sweet. And I didn't think buttermilk was sweet, but that's what it kind of tastes like, kind of sweet. If I had to rate this 10 out of 10, I would have to say a 3. If I had to rate my grilled cheese, baby, it's a 10. And this drink, this Coca-Cola drink, I would have to rate it a 10. It's really good. And I don't even drink soda like that. So I'm excited about that. Okay, so I said I was gonna go ahead and do this challenge. So I'm gonna go ahead because I don't want to get too full. So I'm gonna wrap these up. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this challenge. It is, hopefully I can eat these in a good timing. I believe it's maybe, let me see, timer. I'm gonna just do a stop clock. So I'm gonna time myself the stop clock. And I'm gonna start it as soon as I take it out the bag. I'm gonna put it against this Coke. Cause I know I'm gonna be thirsty. I'm gonna face it y'all way when I get that started. It's supposed to be 2 of them. I haven't had oatmeal pies in a while, but I did have that blueberry ice cream. I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. And they love, hopefully I can eat this down. Hopefully. And we're going to start it. Ain't no foul down there. Let me go. Mm-mm. 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 I'm trying to eat as fast as I can. I gotta keep looking at the timer. I need to stop. Okay, so all done. I made it. Yay! Mm, 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 mm. And if y'all haven't done none of these challenges, y'all need to go ahead and go to Coco Empire and Take Eats channel. This is Take Eats. Why y'all not subscribe? And this is Coco Empire. Y'all need to go ahead and subscribe to these channels and do these challenges if you want to, if you have time, or if you just need content. These are good ideas. But y'all already know what I need y'all to do, right? You know what I need you to do? Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, I said like, comment, and subscribe. Hey. I am out, and I hope you guys enjoy y'all morning, y'all evening, or y'all afternoon, okay? And I'll see you soon.